Everybody loves tests, quizzes, and mini-games. They let you check your general knowledge, give your memory a workout, and they're addicting. But marketing specialists love them even more because this kind of interactive format means you can direct people's attention, collect contact details for leads in an effective way, and of course, improve your conversion rate. And with Interacty, you can get the best of them. Now you can quickly create a wide variety of branded games and build them into your ad campaign. Let's see how it works. Interacty has a huge collection of templates for game mechanics, so you don't need to worry about your content going out of date. You can quickly create a new game at any time. So let's use this template. You can easily upload your own images and customize the way it looks. By the way, you can combine different kinds of mechanics in one project, so you can add a section with a new game whenever you like. Now all we need to do is to publish our project. Done! Now it's accessible via a link. But even better, you can just copy the embed code and include it easily on your own site. What comes next? The most interesting part. Your visitors enter their contact details and have a good time playing the game you've created. They share it with their friends. They compete with each other. Pretty awesome, huh? Well, you just need to sit back and watch your stats, view players' details, and celebrate your new leads. And you can add your team members to the project too, so they can edit it and view the stats as well. Go to interacty.me and create your own game right now. Your ad campaign is sure to blossom.